How to delete Instagram account permanently. So now here we are on Instagram, and the first thing that we would want to do is tap on our profile here on the bottom right. And from here, tap on the three horizontal bars on the top right. And from here, you want to tap on Account Center. And in here, you would want to tap on Personal Details and tap on Account Ownership and Control. And in here, you want to tap on Deactivation or Deletion. And in here, you would want to tap on your Instagram account. And now you want to select delete account option since you would want to permanently delete your account. As you can see, it says deleting your account is permanent, and then tap on continue once you've selected that. Now, the next thing is that you would want to select the reason on why you are deleting your account. It doesn't matter what. So I'm just going to choose this one right here and tap on continue once you're done. And from here, just tap on continue again. And now the last thing is that you want to provide your password. And then once you have provided your password, all you have to do is tap on continue. And then your account will now be scheduled for deletion. And take note that it will not be deleted right away. You would have to wait 30 days for it to be finally be deleted permanently. So yeah, that's all you have to do now. Provide password and tap on continue. Thank you for watching.